Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, your host. I'm the Director of Relationship Management for Windy City. Today I want to talk about a topic, goodness or greatness, which is better? Many people say greatness, and they say that because that's considered a higher achievement than goodness. But typically people that want to achieve greatness have to have goodness in their resume, or otherwise they're never going to achieve greatness. The other difference that I see is in greatness, you can be really good at your job, really good, and you can become great. The opportunity to hit greatness is going to depend on a lot of things, some of which you don't control. The right job, the right position, the right company, the right opportunity comes your way to make a difference and show, and then you get that opportunity to prove yourself that you can be great. The thing about goodness is you don't need all that. You can just be good. You can provide goodness in your everyday life in what you do and what you do at work. Are you a good teammate? Are you a good listener? Do you listen to your teammates? Do you help your teammates? Do you help support the people you work for? Do you send out positives about the company you work for all the time? Do you represent the company well? Those are all things of goodness that you can do. And if the opportunity to provide greatness comes, then you're ready and you take advantage of it. But it doesn't happen for everybody. Goodness seems to be a safer place. Safer place. I can be good. I can be nice. I can do all these things. I can feel really good about it. There's a grind to greatness. Sometimes people that had really goodness in their heart and did this for a while got moved to greatness. And they lost some of the goodness because the rules change and how you what you have to do to get to great. The beauty and the thing that you want to do is to be able to hold those values while trying to work toward greatness. And greatness, you want to sustain it for forever. So it's like a baseball player who makes an all-star team 8 years in a row. He's a perennial all-star. He's doing the same thing every year. Not a person who's on the all-star team this year for baseball and you're never going to see him again, because they had one great year and that was all they ever had. And then the rest of everything hit right that 1 year. That's not greatness. Greatness is you're sustaining something over a long period of time. A long period of time. Greatness is just a more refined version of goodness. As I said before, being great's an outcome. You don't necessarily get to control that, but goodness you always can control. Goodness makes you feel good. It's because, again, it's how you treat people. It's how you do things. It's how you live your life. It's how you live your life at work, and it's how you live your life at home. That you can control. Just stay ready for that opportunity if good turns to great. Great's not for everybody. Great's for certain people, and it's a small percentage. But at the other end of the spectrum, there's nothing wrong with goodness. Nothing at all. Tons and tons of people go through life spreading goodness, spreading cheer, being a good person, being very helpful. That's a very important sustaining part of life. So which is better? Depends on how you look at it. Depends on what you're willing to sacrifice if the opportunity presents yourself. What you can do is you can control goodness. You can also be ready for the opportunity if there's a chance to move to greatness. But remember, in going from goodness to greatness, try to hold your values. Hold your values for what made you have goodness to also give you the opportunity for greatness. Don't lose it. Keep it. And then you have the best of both worlds. You have goodness in your heart and you have greatness in what you do. That's the ultimate win for everybody. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you next week.